Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide your like count in your threads from a PC. So what you need to do is open your preferred web browser and go on and log into your threads profile or account from their website. When you do that, you'll be greeted with your main page or your feed, and this will look somewhat similar to mine. So what you need to do now is on the left hand side of the panel, you're going to click on this tab right there, which is a kind of a more, right? Click on it and click on settings. After this, on the privacy tab, you're gonna see a hide like and share counts. You're gonna click on it, or in this icon right there, just click on it. Right, a new tab should open, which will again redirect you to Instagram. Since my threads account is linked with my Instagram, that's why it sends me to the Instagram. Otherwise you could just do it from here. So on the Instagram there should be a hide like and share accounts, right? And hide like and share accounts. Just turn this thing on, and there you go. When it's when the setting is changed for your Instagram, it will automatically be changed for your Threads account. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.